How you doing? Matthew T here. And today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to try and repair this Macintosh SE. It's got a screwed up operating system, so I just got this today. I think it's my boot disk, so we're going to go ahead and see what we can do here. There we go. Welcome to Macintosh. There we go. System tools. Cancel. System folder. Oh, here we go. System. Utilities folder. Installer. Damn, this floppy drive's kind of noisy. System folder. Pick this up in a minute. I'll pick this up in a minute. And we're back. Let's see what the finished system folder. Unfinished. What happens if we go to system folder? Clipboard, Finder, case 2. Alright. Click out of the hard drive for now. Disk clinic. Let's see what happens when we click that. Let's see what all the dates are on here. 1988. I guess the last time this was ever messed with is 1993, it appears to be. I'm gonna have to erase this whole hard drive because there was like someone made a grave error on this hard drive, and every time you try to open something up, open up any files on the hard drive, it just crashes. Utilities folder. Installer. Macintosh.
Save $5 on the ultimate wash on Wednesday. Take pride in your ride and cheer on your Cincinnati Reds all season long during Bowtie Tuesday at all Mike's Car Wash locations.
Figure and sizes.
Look no further than BeachmontToyota.com. A great selection of new and used cars, trucks, and SUVs. State-of-the-art facility.
And we're gonna click install. I wish I could look through all the fucking files on this thing, but every time I do, the thing crashes. So, installing on hard drive.
Eugenio Suarez is second on the team so far this season with 6 home runs and second with 14 RBIs. But he's only hit at .242 and has just 4 multiple hit games in 27 appearances. Tommy Thrall had a chance to talk with Suarez about what he's doing at the plate.
Is it a mechanical adjustment? Is it just an approach, a change in approach?
No, I always have my mechanical, the same, my approach is...
Let's hope this doesn't take necessarily everything off the hard drive.
More mentally because
But we'll have to just wait and see.
I just try too much, you know, hit a hard ball, and that's not me. I just make my adjustment mentality.
Installation was successful.
And tell myself,
Okay.
you know, just do what you know to do. So I just want to keep doing.
But we'll have to see just how successful it was.
Mentality and be stronger.
It looked like it always
Eject.
looks like you just have so much fun playing the game of baseball.
Eject.
You just exude joy when you're out there. Where does that come from?
There's this for a Macintosh Plus, but it'll work with this.
Everybody knows that, you know. I just
Alright.
enjoy every day.
Shut down.
This game so far, this game, you know, God give me the opportunity to do what I
Gotta
like
see
to
just
do,
how
so
successful it
I
was.
just try to enjoy every day, and you know that's what this is just a game. You know, in the end, this is just a game. You gotta enjoy it. And
It didn't work.
Play a good way.
So, but the hard drive is white, so.
That's what I do every day. You know, try to enjoy it, no matter what happens.
Alright, so let's do this again.
Myself,
Welcome to
and
Macintosh.
sell on myself and feel better and everything. You know,
So the hard drive
like
is
that,
white.
and I just keep doing it.
Let's check.
At third base, you get hit with a lot of stuff. You can get hit with a slow dribbler. You got to charge and bare hand and make the throw off balance. You can get a rocket hit at you. What's your favorite play?
Staller.
My favorite is the choppers. I think that was my favorite. You know, made me
Travis.
feel because that was one of the hardest ground balls come to third base. You know, because the hardest coming you ready, but you on that one you gotta read the ground. You gotta read the ball, read the ground ball and be ready. When
Continue.
that's why I like that one. You know, that made me, you know, so good when I
Cover
made those
resource error. Oh.
Thanks so much for your time. Certainly appreciate it.
Thank you very much, Tommy. I appreciate you.
For appearing on the pregame show, Eugenio Suarez receives a $100 gift card from Montgomery Inn. Montgomery Inn, the undisputed Ribs King. This is the Reds Radio Network.
Wit.
You know how some people just seem destined for greatness? Take the story of Dustin. As a child, he was obsessed with being a professional baseball player. Played constantly. Watched all the games. Could tell you every stat. But around age 40...
Alright, now we're gonna format this fucking thing for real this time.
Destined for greatness. Never was a strong hitter, that Dustin. However,
Initialize.
money on car insurance by switching to Geico, proud partner of Major League Baseball. Now that is some greatness Dustin was destined for. Is your check engine light on? Don't ignore it. Stop by O'Reilly Auto Parts today and let our professional parts people scan your vehicle for free. We'll retrieve the codes, discuss possible solutions, and even help you find a professional technician if needed.
But alright, this hard drive is now white.
Free check engine light help. O'Reilly Auto Parts. Better parts, better prices every day.
Shit, I hit erase the disc. It's not popping up anymore. It's not popping up anymore even.
Feel the rush of adrenaline as the crowd favorite roars down the home stretch. And celebrate the long shot every Thursday through Sunday. At 12:35, it is post time. And they're off. Visit BelterraPark.com for the schedule on College Road off I-275 in Cincinnati.
The MLB Ballpark app will complete your next visit to Great American Ballpark. Buy and manage your tickets, redeem special check-in offers, access exclusive content, and upgrade your seat location at the game. Plus, new this year, play Reds Baseball Bingo, presented by Dynegy, and win prizes. The MLB Ballpark training.
Yep, drive is, the disc is
There's a
damaged.
little extra preparation and, you know, extra video watching. And
You do that, then it doesn't pop up. So I guess this hard drive's just too screwed up to use or something. Alright, we're gonna remove the hard drive out of this Mac SE. Focus, focus! From 1986. Here we go. As you can see, this has got signatures all over the inside of it, which is awesome, which will make this thing a collectible item. Get that there for now. Get that out of the way. I'll pick this up once the hard drive is out. And the hard drive's out. I'm gonna say this hard drive's the original one too. I don't see any stickers on it saying otherwise. Now I'm gonna take apart the other Mac SE and see if its hard drive's any better, but I got my feelings it ain't gonna be much better. Alright, I got the other hard drive out. Got the other hard drive out of this one here. This, unlike the other one, this one has been changed. See if I can find the sticker anywhere. I can't find the sticker. There it is. 15th July, 1988. I'm gonna put it in this one. Once I got the hard drive and everything else installed again, I'll pick this back up. Alright, this is my fix. When these were out still, some of these didn't have hard drives, instead just 2 floppy drives. So that's what I did with this, because both of the hard drives were too fucked up to install an operating system on. Alright, peace out.